Good morning. Today is Tuesday, June 26, 2012. The markets yesterday saw a zigzag pattern and followed the trend of the INR. The EU Ministers Summit is taking place towards the end of this week, and all eyes will be focused on the outcome of that meet, as still the markets fear that the Eurozone crisis is still going on very, very strongly and no solution seems to be found in sight. This is holding down the markets and unable to break out at higher levels. INR traded yesterday in a huge zigzag pattern, hit a high of 57.9, hit a low of 56.40 and closed at around the 57 mark, closed above the psychological level of 57 mark, closed at 57.05. Resistance is now at 57.3. A break above that could test new highs again. Watch out for INR moves during the course of the day for deciding the course of especially the bullions and crude oil. The RBI announced certain measures yesterday, which was what was in line with market expectations, and hence there was a sharp weakening of the INR towards the second half of the day. Gold is now trading at $1,583. It has broken out and traded higher and closed higher. Hit a high in the MCX of 30,180, closed at around 30,070. Strong support is now seen on a weekly basis at 29,900 to 29,850 and resistance at 30,200 to 300. Buy on dips is recommended even as of now, even as we trace the course of the INR during the course of morning trades. Silver is trading at $27.45. The pivot is now seen at 27.5. If it sustains and closes about 27.5, further upside could be seen up to $28 to $28.5. On the downside, the support is now seen only at 26.5 and 26.80. On the MCX, the pivot is now seen at 53,800. If it sustains above 53,800, it could test up to 54,000 to 54,250. Downside weekly support is seen at 53,500 and 53,200. Expect trading ranges to be in the zone of 53,200 to 54,500 during the course of the day. It has opened flat both gold and silver, so INR will decide the next move in the bullions in early trades this morning. Crude oil is now trading at $79.30. It closed at 4524, taking strong support on a weekly basis at 4490 to 4480. Positional support is seen at 4460. On a break above 45.50 to 60, it will trade more positive, and it should open in the MCX at around the 45.30 mark and wait for fresh entry in crude oil. Copper is trading in a zigzag manner on a weekly basis, is taking strong support on a daily basis at 430 to 412, which has been tested even yesterday. The breakout is the 418, and if it sustains above 418, it could test 420 to 421.80, which are the two strong barriers. A close above 422 would see the next upside in copper. It has opened fairly flat and expected to open at around the 417.5 to 418 mark. Nickel is taking strong support at 925 and resistance at 940. A breakout on either side will see the next move in nickel. Zinc, lead and aluminium, as of course for the last 3 weeks, has been trading fairly sideways and no major breakout or upside or momentum is seen on either side. Natural gas, June, trading at around 152 to 153. On a weekly basis, strong support is seen at 150 and resistances are seen at 158. So expect trading zone of 150 to 158. Today is a contract expiry, so traders holding positions are advised to switch to the second month contract and wait for fresh inventories on Thursday before taking the next move. As of now, it looks to be a buy on support at 150, resistance at 158. Watch out for further trading calls and commodity trades and updates and commentary at our website at www.akshayaship.com. Have a good trading day. Thank you.